Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This tutorial shows you how to sign up or create account on MiniPay. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like the video. Open the MiniPay app after installing. Tap on Sign in with Google. Choose your email account to sign up with. Allow Google to sign into MiniPay by tapping on Agree and Share. This will take a few seconds to complete. MiniPay will require additional access to your Google account. Make sure you read and understand the access required. Tap on Continue to proceed. Tap on Next to enter your password or biometrics to secure your account. Select your country and enter your mobile number to connect with MiniPay, then tap Next to proceed. A verification code will be sent to your number. Copy and paste to verify your phone number. Tap on I understand and your account has been successfully created. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.